morning, sir. Today I will gonna discuss about formulating hypothesis. First, what is parameter? What is parameter na lalagay ko? Sige. Today I will gonna discuss about formulating hypothesis. First, what is parameter? Parameter is used to describe the entire population being studied. A population is the set of people, of all people, objects, events, or which to investigate. Usually, parameter describes the average or mean of the population. A sample mean is an estimate of the population mean. It is the average of all set of data or sample while population mean is an average of group characteristic. The group would be a person, item, or things, like all people living on a certain place, or all dogs owner of subdivision and others. There are two types of hypotheses. First, null. Null
Bakit po walang ba?
ay the null hypothesis denotated by HO is a statement that there is no difference between a parameter and a specific value, or no phenomena is observed, or there are relationships between what you are comparing. This is what we have want to test. It is the hypothesis to be tested. The null hypothesis is considered to be true until we have sufficient evidence to reject it. Then, if you reject the null hypothesis, you are led to alternative hypothesis. What is alternative hypothesis? Alternative hypothesis denotated by HA or H1 contradicts the null hypothesis. It allows the possible of many values. The two parameters of interest are denotated by U1 ay, okay na pala. Okay na? Written by mean 1 and mean 2. If there is no difference between value, the relationship is written in a symbol as so the null hypothesis would be written in HO minus U mean ratio by mean is equals to
Tapos ka mo. Sabi ni Brief. Balik kayo dun. Nakakaakas kayo. Hindi siya makalis dun.
these are the steps this is their steps formulating the null and alternative hypothesis. First, identify the parameter of interest. Second, determine the claim of to be tested the null or alternative hypothesis. Third, translate the claim into mathematical symbol or mutation. Fourth, and the last, formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. There are three kinds based in writing hypothesis as illustration below. First,
Sabi naman na yung isa. Hindi na siya. Kasi doon lang gusto nung parang sama o class. Gusto nung sama class na picture. Hindi ko nga
these are the different ways in writing hypothesis.
Kasi hindi naman siya or maybe 16.
First, HO ratio by mean equals A. Second, HA. Second, HA ratio by mean is not equals to K. The second different way, HO mean is mean less than or equals to K. HA ratio by mean greater than to K.
8 minutes! Welcome for watching! I think wala. Tapos na i-video na.
8 minutes na?
Oo.
Ashley, ituloy mo na! Marami pa yan, promises!
Thank you for watching, guys! Yay!